I am currently working on long-form, detailed video tutorials on how to paint tiny dollhouse dolls' faces, to be followed by how I make hair for the dolls, and I'm doing a variety of different styles. Those videos will be offered to members only for those who join my channel. As I perfect the dollhouse doll clothing patterns, which I'm still working on, some of them I've perfected, some are still trying to get them just right, I will be offering patterns to my members only. I have 2 levels. They're very cheap. Level 1 is a very small way that you can become a contributor to help support my channel and the work that I do. It's only $1.99 a month. Cheap, right? Level 2 will make you an insider with even more special perks for just $4.99 a month. That's still cheap. My more detailed videos, they take a lot of time for me to edit in order to make a quality and valuable video. So going forward, those videos that I work so hard on will be added to my members only. Please consider joining my channel. You will see the join button on my channel and on each video that I post to my channel. Here is just a sampling of some of that content that you will find in my members only club. I hope you enjoyed this little sort of sneak preview of things to come. You may look at this and say, well, that's too big to be. Yeah. So I'm pretty happy with the front of the bodies, shaping it first. In sewing his shirt, I've put the shirt on a wooden dowel because it's just easier, it makes it a little easier to hold it. It's good in the sleeves, but the front is too high. So right here, I need to trim off a little bit so that it's not coming right up on his. There. Now, I know it's still close up to his head, but that's going to be caught in the collar when it gets sewn in. So that is going to work. I won't put the snap too high, because you don't want it to be right up there. We'll put the snap right here. 1, 2, 3 snaps, and that'll work. And he has full mobility, so he can move. The sleeves are now attached. So what's left to do now is to sew down here. Now this is too wide, so I'm going to make it narrower here. And so I'm going to sew it at an angle down the sides. And then our blouse will be done except for the bottom hem. Our little lady, I'm going to make a nice black skirt with a waistband. Thanks for watching. I now have an Amazon storefront where I link the tools and materials that I reference in my videos. I am an Amazon associate that earns a small commission fee when you purchase through my store. There's no extra cost to you when you shop through my store. If you see something in my video that you would like to have for yourself, and I tell you that I got this from Amazon, this is a very convenient way for you to get those tools that you need. And it's a small way you can support the efforts of my channel to give you free content. You will find the link to my storefront in the video description below this video.